Hey guys, if you're getting error code VAL 29 in Valorant, here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and type Services, then open it. Once you're inside, click on any service, then press the V key. Look for a service called VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and then click Start. Once it says Running, click OK. Step 2. Go back to Search and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your network adapter, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and double-click it. Then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Step 3. Open Search again and type CMD. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now type these three commands, pressing Enter after each one. ipconfig/flush DNS. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Step 4. Search for Network Reset and click on it. Now click Reset Now, and then, yes, your computer will restart automatically in 5 minutes, or you can restart it manually. After your PC restarts, try launching Valorant again. The error should be gone. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.